Hello, world. We are Team Realtor Buddy. Our mission is simple, making your house searching experience seamless and hassle free. Finding your dream house is not just about finding X numbers of beds and baths. There are 100 more other factors to consider. For example, one needs to think, hey, is this house close to the metro? Is it in a walkable neighborhood? Is it close to my wife's favorite park? And the requirement list goes on and on and on. We're not saying it's not possible to narrow down your searches with the current tools that we have in the market. It just takes a lot of time. And guess what? There's around 5 million of people who will be going through this process to find their house in 2024 in the USA alone. Now, what if we had an expert realtor friend who could help all these people find their dream house just by chatting and asking a few questions? What if we could build a virtual assistant tool using Google's Gen AI that could help us find answers to all these hard questions from millions of lines of descriptions and by analyzing millions of photos? That's exactly what has sparked the light bulb on our brain. And this is why we are excited to share our ideas with you all through this hackathon. Let's check out a quick demo of the app.
All right, let's dive into the demo. So we have two features. We'll start with the text chat one. So here it goes. At first, you need to filter some listings, hit submit, and you get the primary listing list. But I want to find out a house near nearby playgrounds. Here it is. You can see the listings. All of them have playgrounds as a feature. But I also want to have a fenced backyard with my house. So let's search for that. These listings, you can see like all of them contains fenced backyards and playground. So let's check out if the data is correct. You can see there's fenced backyard, search for playground. You can also see there's playground in the listing. All right, let's jump into our second feature. So who doesn't want to live near a river or a lake, right? So let's search for a house like that. So house with a lake or river. Voila, you can see those.
Upal, do you fancy Spanish moss?
Sure, why not? And here it goes. You can also see some houses like that.
That's
We
awesome.
also have a photo upload feature. So let's upload a house image and let's see if we can find a similar house. You can see similar houses from the system. With that,
Beautiful.
I will hand it over to Masood.
Thank you, Upal, for the amazing demo. We could see how the user preferences are detected by the AI and help to find their dream home. Diving a bit into the high-level system workflow that starts with taking the user input in the form of text or image. We have a conversational workflow manager that processes the input. Then, leveraging a prompt service and Gemini APIs, we get back to the user with recommendations. All the available listings from different areas are vectorized in a database that powers our prompt service to look into a filtered set of listings. We used technologies like LangChain, ChromaDB, Vertex AI, and we hosted our services in Google Cloud.
Thank you, guys. We know this is already very promising, but hold your breath. We have many more exciting ideas for the coming days. In the coming days, we plan to expand our app from a few cities to all over the US and Canada. Also, we plan to start sending personalized recommendation and alerts to the users based on their saved searches. We can also find the best fit agent for the users to facilitate their home search. We'd also love to expand our capabilities by processing video inputs as well, besides image and text. Finally, the product we developed here is not just tied to real estate applications only. With a little bit of touch, we can easily modify this product to fit any products or industries we can think of, like finance, law, e-commerce, operational process, and many more. So sky's the limit here, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers!